Hello everybody! Today we're doing the rainbow soup and we have a new guest, my most BFF friend that since I was just a baby, and it's called Riley!
Hello, my name is Riley and today we're going to do the rainbow soup. So these and these, I think are both the same.
They're married!
All of these represent a different nutrients.
The ingredients are red onion. This is not red. You can call it purple onion, but it's actually a red onion. I don't know. Onions are good for killing viruses like this. Let me show you. Viruses, get out of my body!
So I think this is a red pepper. Red peppers are packed with beta carotene.
Another ingredient is a sweet potato. It's very yummy when you cook it, which you should know because I did it in a video. And also, if you didn't know, potatoes are filled up with carbs, and the carbs are for energy, like to run or to ski.
So this is green zucchini and this is yellow zucchini. They're mostly the same, but they're different colors. The zucchinis have a lot of minerals and vitamins. So look, say that you are scared of this one, but you're not scared of this one. They taste the same. So if you eat both of them, then this is what's going to happen to your body.
Now, this is cilantro. Cilantro, you can think it's like a rose. It gives perfume to the soup.
Now we're going to get everything and wash it. I'm going to take the zucchinis. She will take this. And I'll take
Remember to take the things that are not edible. They're bad for your stomach. I'm going to tell you one thing. You can take this, has minerals and nutrients, but this, it gets in your stomach and you're
washing the zucchini, squeaky tight. We're washing it, and the cilantro. What do I do with this after? And let it too dry. And now we're washing the yellow zucchini. The yellow zucchini.
Did you ever know that you can give this to your wife?
You're washing the green zucchini. The green zucchini.
Did you know that you can give this to your wife?
Now we're washing the potato. That looks like this one potato, but it's sweet. And it looks like it just changed color, as you can see. But I don't know where there's white parts.
You can see this as a green potato, but you think it's a zucchini. No, just look out right. Let's chop.
Look how it looks inside. And you know that this kind of looks like a yellow rose? You have to smell
Did
it.
you know that
It
this
smells
can look like your eyeball? Cut it like a pie, like this.
And also, if you're too little, always ask for a grown-up's permission.
These zucchinis, you can eat. Look, Riley, let's show them how we eat. 3, 2, 1.
You already saw me on camera. I took a little bite of one zucchini, but I'm going to taste the green zucchini.
This is good, I mean.
It feels like cucumber.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
I'm going to open the red pepper, and I'm going to open it with magic.
Same with me. Look how much seeds this has. You can plant a million of these. Let me rip this. Look, have that.
Okay. Should we cut this?
This is a lot of seeds. Since our very nice ghosts gave us this, which we're gonna put all the pepper in, we did a mistake, so now we have to fix it.
Yeah, and also we're going to cut these two pieces because we use magic to, cut these. And so we're going to cut these two on camera.
And remember, this is not a joke of cooking. We just make it fun so you can just enjoy it. But this is actually serious cooking. Riley, what's your favorite thing about cooking and why do you like cooking?
I like cooking because you're making, I like cooking because
It's fun.
It's fun and you're making food for yourself so you can survive. And also, if you make like good foods like the rainbow soup we're making today, you can get really strong and really healthy. Say that you only ate food that you never cooked and you always got it from like a restaurant. You could get really sick if you keep eating those foods because they're bad for you. Some of them. But if you make it yourself and you know what's in them, you can make it really healthy for you.
So now we're gonna work the magic because if we actually cut all of this, it can be dangerous cutting this onion. We don't know what's inside. So we're gonna do the magic. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, it didn't work.
Let's do it together.
1, 2, 3. Oh my
God,
god.
that actually worked. Well, I guess when we do it together, we kind of...
Wait! Riley, we forgot the carrot.
Okay, I will do one.
Stick with it. Carrot is in your eye.
Besides, you see onions.
Now we're gonna put the meat inside of the pan. Now we're gonna put the onions
And peppers in.
Now we're gonna cover it until the onion is transparent and the peppers are sweet.
We're going to cover and put it on the fire.
Yeah, let me do it for you. It's this one.
We're going to season the onions and pepper. Go, Jazmin.
With salt, sea salt.
It really smells good. If you want to smell this, you should consider subscribing. Or just watch this video and
Learn about it and cook. This is not only for cooking, but it's also
for making your body strong.
and to also cook it yourself.
So now, since the onions are transparent, we're going to put some of this, some of this, some of this, some of this, and
What if some of this was really
So we're going to put this, I forgot his name, cilantro, sweet potato, zucchini, and carrots, and all these zucchinis in there because the onion is clean.
Now that's gonna get burned. Gonna stir this.
It smells so good.
I know. This is the best rainbow soup I ever tasted. Look how colorful this is.
And it smells so good.
I know.
So, we're going to let it cook for 30 minutes. See you in 30 minutes.
So, what she was trying to say was, we're gonna do it for 30 minutes. This gonna cook. We put all the vegetables in this. You can see it there. With boiling the water. And this is gonna cook for 30 minutes. Bye-bye. Hola!
So, we're going to show another video where we show the soup because it takes 30 minutes, but we have to end our video. So, stay happy and do whatever you want to cook. And I hope you subscribe. Yeah!